On a sunny day, an arrogant rabbit walks in the forest. He talks loudly and tells everyone he is the fastest. A quiet turtle listens and stays calm. The turtle looks at him and says, "Let's have a race." The rabbit laughs at the turtle and makes fun of her, then agrees. Many animals come to watch the race. The race starts and the rabbit runs very fast. Soon, the rabbit is far ahead of the turtle. He feels sure he will win and stops to rest. He sits under a tree and falls asleep. The turtle walks slowly but keeps moving. She does not stop and does not complain. Step by step, she gets closer to the finish line. The rabbit is still sleeping. At last, the turtle reaches the finish line first. All the animals cheer for the turtle. The rabbit wakes up and feels ashamed. The turtle smiles and speaks kindly. She says, "Do not be proud. Keep working." She adds, "Be patient and never give up." The rabbit listens and learns a lesson. From that day, he respects others. Slow and steady work brings